Hello, today we present the Bosch SMT300 leak finder. The SMT300 leak finder comes with an accessory kit with different applications as you see here in the picture. There's a small cone which you can seal induction and exhaust systems as well as cooling systems. To block different systems you have as well different sizes of plastic caps. There's also included a diffuser which you need to indicate wind and water leaks. There's a combination light with three functions, a combo light with flashlight, UV light and a laser light. Also you need the yellow googles for the UV section. You will see that later in a live demo at the car. To set up the machine you need to unscrew the oil dipstick and take one bottle of oil and fill it up completely to the machine. Put back the oil dipstick, take it out again and check the level from the minimum to the maximum. The machine have a flow meter which indicates the leak size of a leak. We have here a pressure and vacuum decay gauge, and we have a flow control with test mode. With the flow control you have the option, you fill up the system with fully smoke and you can reduce afterwards, you can reduce the smoke. On the other side you have the test cycle, which is just when you go here in with the air, it comes just pour air out here and fill up the system. To get ready with the machine, with the setup, you have to hook up the air supply hose from your working bay. On the back side of the machine you have the wires, negative and positive. Please hook it up to a 12-volt power source to the car. If you hook it up to the car, you will see mainly here the green light goes on. After you push the start button, it will be a test cycle from 5 minutes. So now we push the button, the red light goes on, and you see already the smoke goes through the air smoke nozzle. Okay, when we start the machine, the flow meter ball will go almost up to the top and it will measure the leak size of that nozzle. So we start the machine and you see here, and it measures now the size of the leak, and when I put my thumb over the leakage you will see the flow meter ball will drop more down. If you measure a sealed system, a closed system, then the flow meter ball after a while will drop down to the bottom. This is a test tube, just that you understand how that flow meter ball works. There's a small leakage inside this test tube. I put this supply hose into the test tube. I restart the machine and you see now a lot of smoke coming out. If you reduce the volume of smoke, you make the smoke more visible. In this case we use the combination light. We also have the laser light, and the laser will reflect inside the smoke. With the UV light, you will see the UV dye at small leakages to indicate the leak.